This one, Boxy Express. Um, dude, you know what? We're just not gonna talk about that. Get the fuck out my way. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm on the road. Damn, bro, this shit gets up and at 'em. Oh, fuck. She narrow. I'm going the wrong way. I can realize that, but it's okay. It was that a fucking... okay, I'm sorry, that caught me off guard. Alright, the goat... What the fuck? There's hockey. Gets mollywopped by a rock. Nope, just fucking... whatever you call that. Is this a new checkpoint? Checkpoint 1. Yo! Get some dubs in the chat. Did I get stuck? No. I don't know what you're talking about. How many checkpoints are there? Any clue? What the Yo, what is that? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 5. I didn't know. I fucking. So I got kidnapped. Dude, this guy's gonna fucking kill me. Can you just walk the road? Fuck it. Oh, hell yeah. Bro, I know everyone. Oh, fuck. I know everyone in here hates me. I don't think you can. Oh. Can it be saved? No, I'm stuck. Yeah, no, I was fucking stuck. Dude, the earthquake kinda sucks. I was expecting it to be, like, a lot crazier. Alright, I think this might be the furthest I've been. Dog. Oh my god, we fucking made it. Whoever caused that fucking earthquake, I'm praying on their fucking downfall. Holy shit. Alright, we're at checkpoint 2. Hell yeah. So let's get a W in the chat. Schlog is just getting worse. I miss the old Kanye. Straight from the go Kanye. Chop up the soul Kanye. I prefer anyone other than Kanye. Free Kanye. It's too big, it didn't fit. He was just giving showers to the homeless. That's exactly. This dickhead is pounding me. Oh shit, it worked. I understand it now. Never mind. Fuck. Dog, what? Pound my little banana hole. Come ram me. You heard me. I didn't stutter. Ram me. Ram me with that fucking truck of yours. Oh wait, shit, I'm gonna get my voice chat banned. Oh shit. The gameplay is more important. Come on. Dude, no way.
Sir, back up, man. Back up. That didn't do anything, man. Turn, man. Turn. Turn your wheel. Turn your wheel. Other side. Other side.
I think we're getting somewhere. No, stop. Dude, I don't even know where I'm stuck. I think everywhere, bro.
Sir, do you know how to drive? Ah, dang.
Bro, I should just. Do you know how to shut the fuck up? Y'all, I think I got my voice chat suspended. Damn it. Fuck. Whatever shall I do? Bro, I'm cooked. I hope he falls off. I hope he falls off. I'm praying. Yes, bro, yes. Oh my god, bro, no way, both of them fell. Both of them falling is actually crazy. Wait, how did I die? Oh, dude, no way they did to kill everyone.